I wanted to show you the tools that I use for brazing. Let me take everything out quickly. At the same time, I need to clean things up a little bit in the car. So this is basically almost everything I use for brazing. I don't really have anything else. I braze with a Victor torch. Let me show you the torch. Here it is, small and compact. I like it. It has a 00 tip. I think all technicians braze with this one, and everyone knows this Victor torch. It's a great torch. Besides that, I also have my backpack with all the brazing equipment. These are the vacuum hoses that I use to pull a vacuum on the system. There's a bit of a light mess here. This is my real working bag. I didn't clean it before showing it. Let me show you what exactly I keep inside. Here are the basics. The tool I use to cut capillary tubes, some bits, a mirror, a small torque wrench for tightening. Let me show it closer. Here I have core removers, different valves, temperature sensors. I use gauges, one regular pressure gauge and one vacuum gauge. I also have another regular gauge that I keep in my diagnostic bag. It's always there for quick diagnostics. Putting this all back in its place. Here I have the brazing rods. I use 15% silver. They work well for me. Good sticks. Soap solution that I use to check for leaks after brazing. Flux for brazing. In this small box, I'll show you, I keep my LG programmer for programming compressors and boards. Then I have the igniter for the torch. I use these cheap Husky pliers. I hold parts with them when brazing, when something needs to be pressed. They're not afraid of heat. They're cheap and cost almost nothing. I also have this flaring tool. I know